Here we are back again with another up close and personal video, this time on Spier Mackay bench grade Goodyear welted shoes. Bench made, should I say. Alright, let's take a look. I've already done the unboxing, so I will save the pleasantries of that. And now let's just focus on the shoes. Oh, Spier Mackay, here we go. Spier. There's, I'm pretty sure it's Spier, even though I said Spier in the unboxing video, but I'm pretty sure I got that wrong. But anyway, here's one of their beautiful hole cut models, made with Weinheimer Leather, which, for those of you that don't know, Weinheimer is a tannery out of Poland that took over the techniques of the old Freudenberg tannery from Germany, that is highly regarded as one of the best black leather makers of all time, and they do make a good leather. Many of the higher end shoemakers of the industry use them, and for good reason. So let's take a look. Spier Mackay shoes are Goodyear welted out of Portugal. As they claim on the box, they are a bench made shoe, even says on the sole. And bench made meaning they have the classic standard features of an entry-level price point welted shoe, which this does. You can see that it's a straight waist, but it has a strange little bevel part to it, but it's technically not fully beveled. You could say that it's a slight bevel because it's not as straight here on the top as it is on the side. Nice tight stitching there on the sole stitch. The leather is very clean, a little porous, which will make it a little difficult to shine in the beginning, but after you wear it, those pores open up and soften up and make it easier to shine. A beautiful hole cut. I don't know if it's my eyes, but there is like very subtle burnishing on the shoe, on the heel, tiny bit here, a tiny bit on the seams, maybe even a touch at the bottom near the welt. Sorry, I know it's kind of dark, but definitely on the toe there's a touch of burnishing. Anyway, it's a nice finish. It's a beautiful brown, almost like a dark mocha, and yeah, a very clean, solid shoe. Really nothing to I mean, if you want to nitpick, I mean, the shoes are $248. Obviously the leather has a couple faint vein mark here, no big deal. It's in the heel, a couple small stretch lines there, again not a big deal at $248. You can't expect flawed shoes at this price, and if you do, you are unrealistic. Excuse me, imperfect, unflawed shoes at this price. A bit of a stretch mark there, again very faint, and what's to be expected at $248? It's a solid shoe. It's got a nice lash shape, a little bit of a protruding welt for my personal taste. I like things cut a little bit finer, but still very classic in cut, in nature, not overly wide, so to speak. So here you can see, do that. You have an elegant lash shape. Give you that angle. Nothing too pointed nor too round. A very simple, elegant round toe. They did go for 6 eyelets, which is, you know, a shoemaker's personal preference and choice. They're very close together, almost as if they would have been a 5 eyelet pattern. Usually a 6 eyelet comes down a little bit lower on the vamp, so you do have a quite tight bunch of laces there, but I don't think that's really a noticeable feature, so to speak. If I didn't mention it, maybe nobody would have caught that. But anyway, very solid shoe for $248. I think it's a good price, especially because you are getting Weinheimer calf, which is a very high quality and expensive leather. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Do check out Spier Mackay's site. They have, you know, a subtle yet classic shoe offering. They are mainly menswear clothing makers, so to even get shoes at this price and from them is a plus, just to kind of create the smart one-stop shop. Anyway, Spier Mackay Wholecuts 248. Hope you've enjoyed. Classic, clean, easy to wear shoes. Take care, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.